What is this I'm hearing about vendors refusing to refund customers, even where what they delivered is completely different from what was advertised? You see that no refund, no exchange with one big red X emoji on your bio. I hope you know it's illegal. It's against the law. You cannot just decide to not take responsibility in your business. No. As a business owner, you need a proper refund or exchange policy. Writing no refund, no exchange on your bio, it does not protect you under the law. Your refund policy has to be clear, reasonable, and you should not be in conflict with consumer protection laws. A proper refund or exchange policy should explain when a return can be made, the time frame within which the customer can return that product, and the condition of the product. All of these things must be in compliance with the law. So say you don't do refunds, it's not just unfair, it is unreasonable and it is illegal. It is also a violation of consumer rights. It doesn't even build trust and it kind of makes your business look shady. As a consumer or a customer, you have a right to refund if one, the product is defective or unsafe; two, if the product is unsuitable for the purpose for which you bought it; and three, where the product does not match the description of what the vendor advertised. If, for example, a vendor advertised that this hot water flask can take hot water for up to 12 hours, and then you as a customer, you buy that flask, you test it out and you discover that the flask doesn't even take hot water for up to 2 hours, you have a right to return that flask and be refunded your money. Or the vendor can exchange it for a flask that can retain hot water for up to 12 hours as was advertised on that vendor's post. So if you're ever faced with an issue about a bad product or service, this is what you should do. One, communicate to the vendor first. Chat up the vendor respectfully. I know some people can be, just do it respectfully. You have to be clear about what your complaints are and what exactly you want. And while you're at it, make sure to keep receipts, screenshots, records, and every single evidence you can lay your hands on in case that channel doesn't work or maybe the vendor is not ready to budge. Two, where the vendor refuses, then you can escalate the issue by filing a complaint to the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission through their website. They have a complaint portal where you can lay your complaint about a bad product or service. So you see those screenshots of charts, receipts, photos, every single thing that you got while you were interacting with the vendor. Yes, this is where you're going to present everything, and then the FCCPC would go ahead to carry out an investigation. Or you can sue the vendor in court to get a refund and claim damages. So always read the refund policy before you rush to pay to any vendor. Most times the problem is that some customers don't even read, and then when all these issues comes up, it's always challenging. And also make sure that after you receive the item, you notice any form of defect or any issues, make sure you speak up immediately. You know the dangers of delay, right? Anyways, I hope you found this helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.